Man, the Disney store don't make stuff like this nowadays. We just get some crappy re-releases of Cars on the Road merchandise that we just don't need. I mean, even the new Road Rumbler Mates at McQueen RC cars are a little bit like this, where their pieces pop off, but this here is just peak Disney store merchandise. If you know what these are like the launch and crash cars where you bash them against the wall and their pieces pop off. Hopefully I managed to get into that later on. But yeah, today we'll be taking a close look at the Lewis Hamilton and Lightning McQueen variants. I know there is other ones such as Frosty, Nigel Gearsley, Raoul Sawall, I believe Max Chanel. Obviously, I don't have those ones because they aren't the easiest to get hold of, but I do have here Lightning McQueen and Lewis Hamilton. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get straight into this review and taking a look at Lightning McQueen. So here we have Lightning McQueen, and he's actually a lot bigger than the Disney Store releases. Let's move the launcher out of the way quickly here, and you can just see how big this McQueen is. Obviously, he has the same expression as all of the other releases from the Disney Store. Disney Store really never changed the expression. Yep, you can see here, this is a Disney Store release of Lightning McQueen. I'll show you the base, just for proof. Yep, you can see how much bigger these are. So these are like, I don't know the scale. Maybe someone can let me know in the comments below. But yep, you can see here, obviously the pieces on the side will obviously disconnect. Why am I showing the Disney Store one? But yeah, you can see here the side piece, which will come off. And you can see here the, launcher bit. Pretty cool stuff, obviously. And here's a look at the other side and the front. Here is the base if you are interested. Obviously, this is a complete plastic vehicle. But yeah, there is the McQueen. Here is a look at the launcher, which is obviously fully plastic, just like the McQueen, full of paper stickers, as we can see here. This piece up here is a sticker. Obviously, this piece here, and it all says Disney Pixar, so you guys know exactly what it is. And here is a look at the other side. So, without further ado, let's try and connect him up. These are very, very stiff. So, what you have to do is, once it's in, you have to lift, like press this button and lift this up and make sure this piece underneath here is connected to the, like on the floor when you press the button, if that makes any sense, because if you press it like this, it will still launch, but it won't go as far. But yeah, you can see here the McQueen. We will test these out at the end, but before we take a close look at doing the crash testing, we've got to take a close look at Lewis Hamilton, the British racer from Cars 2, Sir Lewis Hamilton as we call him now. You can see here the Disney Store version just for size comparison. So I'm going to disconnect him from the launcher. You can see here the launcher all in black, which looks really, really cool. One day, hopefully, I get Nigel Gearsley, Frosty. I'm not sure if they've done Memo, actually. I could be completely wrong. You can see that it does have some writing, which is like really, really hard to see. That's just quality from the Disney Store, never the greatest. And you can see Lewis Hamilton here. Same expression. Really, really cool stuff. And you can see which pieces will pop off. And you can see the base here. So if we do something like this, would it work? Sorry about that loud noise, guys. Let's just smash him. Okay, for some reason Lewis Hamilton doesn't want to work. Ah, there we go. We got them off. Well, we got one bit up. We got all of them off. That was a fail. But yeah, you can see here on the inside the number 2 and the hood, and they'll just easily connect back on like so. Obviously, these are fragile pieces, so try not to lose them if you do have these in your collection, guys. So that is all for this part of the video. I'm now going to go on to my landing and see if I can get these to work. So here we are on the landing, as we can see, and let's see if we can get Lightning McQueen. I'm going to see if I can hit him against the wall. So you do this, and let's... Oh, that's cool. That is really, really... Now let's do Lewis Hamilton. Oh. And the pieces fall down the stairs, but you can see how they sort of work. Yeah, that's how you can see these can work. You can also actually switch and swap them around. You can put different launchers of different characters. So they do all fit, they have the same mechanism. So let's do Lightning McQueen again. And that's cool. And then here we have Lewis Hamilton. He went completely backwards. But yeah, you can see we have Lightning McQueen with all of his pieces off. And then the same here for Lewis Hamilton with all of his pieces off. Maybe I'll get some more of these in the future, but let me know in the comments below if you want to see videos on that. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel, and to the next video, which should be on Wednesday. Peace, everybody.